Now I am starting with sample in DB. The sample in DB tool in alteryx allows users to generate a random sample of data directly within the database environment. This tool is particularly useful when working with large data sets stored in databases and needing to extract a representative subset for analysis or testing purposes. Then after, the select in DB tool functions similarly to the regular select tool, but with a key difference: it performs the selection operation directly within the database, rather than bringing the entire dataset into memory. This is particularly useful when working with large datasets where bringing the data into alteryx for processing might be inefficient or impractical due to memory constraints. When you use the select in DB tool, alteryx sends a SQL query to the database to perform the selection operation, and only the selected columns are returned to alteryx for further processing or analysis. This approach minimizes data movement and processing overhead, resulting in faster performance, especially for large datasets stored in databases. The select in DB tool provides similar functionality to the regular select tool, allowing you to choose specific fields or columns from a dataset while discarding others. However, it leverages the capabilities of the underlying database to perform the selection operation efficiently, making it a preferred choice for working with large datasets stored in databases within alteryx workflows. Then after, summarize in DB tool is used to perform aggregate functions directly within the database, rather than bringing the entire dataset into memory. This tool is particularly useful when working with large datasets where processing the data within alteryx might be inefficient due to memory constraints. With the summarize in DB tool, you can perform various aggregate functions such as sum, average, minimum, maximum, count, etc., on specific columns of your dataset directly within the database. Alteryx generates SQL queries based on your configuration and sends them to the database for execution. Only the summarized results are returned to alteryx for further processing or analysis. Using summarize in DB helps to minimize data movement and processing overhead by leveraging the database's capabilities to perform aggregations efficiently. This can significantly improve the performance of workflows, especially when dealing with large datasets stored in databases. Overall, summarize in DB is a powerful tool in alteryx for performing aggregate operations on database data while optimizing performance and resource usage. Then after, the union in DB tool allows you to combine data from multiple database tables or queries directly within the database, without the need to bring the data into memory in alteryx. This tool is particularly useful when you need to aggregate or combine data from different sources or tables efficiently, especially when dealing with large data sets. With the union in DB tool, you can specify the tables or queries you want to combine, and alteryx generates SQL queries to perform the union operation directly within the database. The resulting combined dataset is then returned to alteryx for further processing or analysis. Using the union in DB tool helps to minimize data movement and processing overhead by leveraging the capabilities of the database to perform the union operation efficiently. This can improve the performance of your workflows, especially when dealing with large datasets stored in databases. Overall, union in DB is a valuable tool in alteryx for combining data from multiple database sources or tables while optimizing performance and resource usage. Then after, write data in DB tool is most commonly used for create or update a table directly in the database.